We are still in Koh Phangan at the moment, and today we're really excited because we're going to do some kite surfing.
This is something that we started last week and we have been buzzing for all week. We have booked a full set of lessons to learn how to kite surf, which is something we've wanted to do for a long time now. So we are really looking forward to it and can't wait to get going today and see, can we take it on?
Let's see.
And here's our man. So what we've actually booked is 4 days of kite surfing lessons, so we're really looking forward to it. Kite surfing is something that I've actually wanted to do for a long time but never had the opportunity to do, so we can't wait to get out and get going. So we'll go see how we get on anyway. You excited?
I'm so excited! So our first lesson this morning is Kite Control, and Owen's up first.
Go on, Aisling.
The concentration on that face.
Don't even need a look, look. Sit and talk. Fly with kite. You told us not to look. You have to feel the kite.
Feel the kite.
Feel the kite. Look at the kite. You have to
Be
feel
the kite.
Be the kite. Be at one with the kite. Smashing kite control. Step 1.
Complete.
Control your kite. Completed. So he's saying next we're going to do safety and setup of the board.
Oh, okay. That means we're getting closer to the water.
Yeah, and then he said water, so like we will hit water today, which I wasn't too sure if we were going there or not.
Next kite. Bigger kite.
You want me to come for you, guys?
Walk. So after when you walk already?
We're getting loads of pictures during the sand today.
So this is the woman and this is the man. I'm just repeating what he said.
You got a man and a woman rope.
Man and a woman rope. So this is
This
the
one's
woman.
the woman.
This is
This
the
is the
man.
man.
You have to put the woman inside and make a wee hole. Put the man inside
Put the man inside the woman, he said.
and then tighten. And
There
we're
we go,
attached.
done. That's a pretty good way to remember.
It is.
Harness on. I am ready to rock.
Looking well.
What a morning.
I know, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
So we're getting harnessed up. We have practiced our kind of kite control all morning. We've got the big kite set up. We're getting our harnesses on. So I think we're maybe hitting the water pretty soon.
On this one we have the safety line here.
I think it's set up.
You think you've done it?
Yeah, I think I have.
Yeah? You look pretty badass.
I'm buzzing now, I just want to get in the water.
Keep the kite like banana like this.
Okay.
When people come.
Up.
How to use the bar, look.
Okay.
With the kite over your head. When you fit it's too strong wind, the power coming, just lay down like this.
Go with it.
Go ahead. Step 1, just keep the kite away over. Yeah. Now more up, the bar more up. Yeah. More turn right more. Yeah, good. And up. Yeah, you did it now.
Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
Then turn the bar and have to.
And that's us for the day. Day 1.
It's a good first day though.
So we're just finished up our first morning of kite surfing lessons. We've done about like 3.5 hours, and our man who is taking us is called Adun.
Adun.
And he said that we done really well for our first time, so we're buzzing about that. It is much tougher than I thought. I don't know
Yeah.
what you like, but
See, once the kite comes down, it's like a mission impossible to get it
Yeah.
back up into the air, but we'll get there. We'll get there.
Today we didn't actually get to go on any boards. We just kind of learned control of the kite and kind
But
of.
he did say
Morning,
tomorrow
yeah.
we'll get in the board.
Yeah, so tomorrow we're hopefully getting on the boards and actually getting the proper kite surfing. So really looking forward to that. So we'll see you tomorrow.
So So today is day 2 of our kite surfing lessons. Yesterday I got a wee bit burnt.
A wee bit. She got scorched yesterday. She is so badly burnt today. So hopefully it'll be easy enough on you today. But we are hoping to get actually up onto the boards today with the kite. So we're gonna have to see how we get on. But I've got high hopes. I think we'll be alright.
Yeah, get there. Good. And keep the kite away from top, the back straight to the wind. Waiting. Yeah, let's go. Good. The kite control is good already.
So Owen is attempting to get up onto the board at the moment and it looks so difficult. I'm up next and I don't think I'll be able to get this. Owen's doing a great job even though he's being really hard on himself. He's such a perfectionist, but I think he's doing really well. He's determined anyway.
Get up to the back, face to the wind, keep control good.
Can I try one last time?
Oh, okay. It's your time, you know. Yeah.
I think this is the one.
Yeah.
Woo! Go on! Woo! As easy as that, like.
So hard. I'm getting like a fistful of water every time. I can already see the sun creams on into my eyes, my nose and in my mouth.
All in a day is kite surfing.
I'm determined I'm going to get it.
You are though, you're getting really close.
Anything more.
So we have been left to
Our own devices.
To tackle the board. Okay, do you know what you're doing? You ready?
Kinda.
Get your kite at 12 o'clock. Yeah, and then hook one of your feet in to the board. And then lie back and get your other foot in. Yeah. Oh, no, you're gone. Yeah, lie back in. Keep holding. Get your feet in. Perfect. And then like keep the board close to your body. Okay, go for it. And then a harsh 10 o'clock. Yeah. Go for it. Yes! Oh! And a big crash. Well done, though. That was a pretty good first attempt. This is honestly so much harder than it looks. Like, it is an absolute challenge. We're determined we're going to do it. We're going to get it. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow, but we are practicing.
Oh, the bar. Yeah, let's
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh, yes!
So at this stage we've both got up onto the board, but it's only been for a few seconds. Owen's probably getting up for longer than I am, but we're determined to get up fully today and hopefully have a bit of an actual surf, but we'll see how it goes. Owen's over there saying he will get it. He's determined and I think he'll be fully up on the board today. He did get up for a good wee while there earlier, so it's only a matter of time. You were up for like a good wee while that time. I just want to be able to do that.
Yeah, that's the goal there. I have so much water in my ear. Every time I take a slam, like it's like. Okay.
Today is definitely a lot windier than what yesterday was, which is great for just getting the kite up itself. But it's definitely not as sunny as well, which I'm really thankful for. Yesterday I got absolutely burnt. I said I only got a wee bit burnt earlier, but I got roasted. So today I've put on one of his wet t-shirts that I probably should have put on yesterday, but going well.
Yeah.
Go on!
Yeah. Oh, very good.
Woo!
When you load the bubble, turn your body up. Waiting. Good. Yeah.
Go on!
Pull the bar, load the power, pull the bar, turn upwind. Okay. Champion, very good.
Could there be a better place to learn to kite surf than right on the beach on an island in Thailand? Okay, so today we done
Soft Kite Control. We actually got up onto the board.
kinda.
We did get on the board.
Yeah, kinda. Yeah,
Just
yeah,
didn't stay there for long.
Some
And then
on
we
the
did
board.
that like stopping,
Yeah.
stop starting.
And then tomorrow hopefully we'll actually be up on the
Surfing.
water kite surfing.
Surfing.
So tomorrow's a new day.
Getting them arms limbered up.
Yeah, move the
Yes.
kite, move the kite, move the kite. Very good, power, good, stand up, good, kick the board, good, riding, good. But this one, not your wrong, you know. Okay, I've lost the shoe.
Today is actually our third day with the dune and technically the last day of the course, but he says we can actually get some free hours, which is great to hear. But today he's letting us be a lot more independent. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully I do everything right and we'll be up in the air soon. 50?
50.
Make pull this?
Yeah, 50.
Not a good start to the day. But Owen's getting on great at the distance.
Power, yeah.
Woo!
Moving.
I'm getting up.
Getting
and
the
then
power to
I'm, like,
continue.
getting the power
Yeah.
to keep going, like, so it's like trying to get that.
Come in.
Oh yes, okay.
It's like taking your kite for a walk there. We walk through the sea.
It's so unreal. I can listen to you out here all day doing this. I know I get a bit tired though. I've been trying to lift me out of the water. I've got lifted out of the water like 3 times today already.
I thought you were going there now.
I finally feel like I'm getting the hang of it. The kite control is kind of under control, so it's now just managing the balance on the board.
We've pretty much like done all of the steps and we're able to do them, and we're getting up onto the board today, which is great. However, the wind has left, which means we can't really get fully up onto the board at the minute because there just isn't enough wind. And a Dooner instructor was like, yeah, you're doing everything right and everything good, but there's just not enough wind to get up. So I think we're just going to keep practicing like flying the kite without actually getting up on the board. But so far today's been going really, really good.
It can be so hard to get back up and the wind just be pulling you. Oh! You cannot control it, you have to go with the kite regardless.
Out of nowhere there was a big gust.
It just took you. Like I think if we didn't have the 3 days doing this course, you wouldn't there's no point.
Yeah, you need 3 days every day. Well, like 3 days is only like, what, 2.5 to 3 hours a day?
Like 9 hours,
It's not even
yeah.
like, it's not even like a half day, it's 2 hours a day really. But like that is literally all you could do.
You'd be wrecked after it, wrecked.
But you know what, at the very start, whenever like you take out the big kite and you're flying it is intimidating.
It's massive.
But it is grand if you like ours and lift your sweet glass, but yeah, you can still completely lift you out of the water and drag you along.
Gone.
You're gone.
Take your position.
Oh, the wind's dropping there. Okay, we're going for it now.
Go on. So today we are back kite surfing for my 4th day, Owen's 5th day. Yesterday we actually didn't properly round off because we just got a wee bit too excited in the moment, but we're back today for a wee extra day to make sure that we can get up on the board. Doesn't seem too windy, so let's hope it picks up. Owen is currently getting the kite set up for us to get out in the water.
The kite, you don't have to get
Lean back, put some more power on.
Yeah.
Okay. In the water nearly, like they're starting again nearly, like, yeah.
Good.
Beautiful,
Good.
yeah.
Harnessed up and ready to go.
Another day in the water.
Go. I have not made the silly mistake since. I am wearing my layers.
No sunburn today. Day 4. Kick out. Yeah. The true hard part. Whoa! Every time the kite goes down, getting it back up is a bit of a challenge. Give it your all. Yes.
So now that we're actually out in the water, the wind has actually dropped and we're just not getting up on the board for as long as what we were hoping to today. We're getting a really good feel for the kite, which is a really good thing as well. But unfortunately, yeah, the wind's just not playing ball with us. So fingers crossed it picks up a little bit and we'll get up on the board today.
Yeah, the problem, the wind.
The wind, yeah.
Easy when you know how.
Check it out more.
Yeah.
Like more and more and more.
Okay, okay. Pivot, pivot, pivot. Go on, you got this.
Waiting. Yeah.
Go
Turn the
on.
boat and turn the kite quick.
Yes.
Yeah. Turn.
It's all well and good when you're flying it, and then you realise you have to walk the whole way from out there back to here, and it is a mission impossible. Thankfully though, because there's not that much wind today, it's not as difficult, but you never realise how far you've actually went until you have to walk the whole way back. Is Owen a good student?
Good.
Yes.
Good. Very good. Yeah, just waiting.
Yeah.
Let's go. More moving.
Yes, Aisling.
Very good.
Today was our last day out doing kite surfing, and what an absolute blast we have had. It has been so good, we've learned so much, and we've actually got on really, really well.
I really enjoyed it. Like at the start I was a wee bit like apprehensive, like oh, like am I going to be able to do this? Like I've signed myself up for a 3-day course.
Yeah.
But it was great. It was so much fun.
And what started out as a 3-day course actually turned out to be 5 different days we were there, or I was anyway, and we done the 3-day course, and then our instructor at Doon gave us a couple of free days. Yesterday I came by myself, and then Aisling just wasn't
I was
feeling up to it.
recovering, my skin
sunburn.
needed a break.
She needed a wee break, so I came down myself, and then the day the both of us came down, and we were out all day the day again, and we were up on the board. We had a great time, and we do feel like we've actually been able to do it, which is class.
I feel like if there was more wind today, we would have been walking away from here being like, yeah, we've done it, we've got kite surfing.
Definitely, the wind was a wee bit slack today, that was the only thing, but what an experience. I would definitely recommend it. Like if you're keen to like try different sports and you're like eager to do it, go for it. It is class. It is something we are both going to continue to do, and hopefully maybe rent our own equipment whenever we're like traveling around as well.
And I think that's the best thing moving forward now. Like we know how to set it up, we know everything. So all it is go to another kite school and get the equipment, and away we go.
Unreal, yeah. So very, very good, very happy people, and just a great experience all together.